all, yes. Just looking at the need to truthfully, under oath, answer the questions of the judge, yes. Now, if the judge grants you your petition, you will get a temporary extreme risk protection order without notice for 2 weeks. Yes, sounds like one of those temporary protection orders that you get for 2 weeks, but since it's a protection order, it's not an extreme risk protection order, so you can have a court hearing 40 days later. Wow. Can you exactly explain the need for this? Because I thought, is somebody making up a bunch of shit about how, well, notice to the respondent, a copy of your petition, a temporary order and notice of the hearing must be served on, given to the respondent by a law enforcement officer. You have to do that before you have the court hearings, and you didn't do that on June 12th of 2015. You didn't do that on July 22nd of 2011. You didn't do that when you issued it by minute order. It seems that you issue these fucking things right now. Now, I'm really very upset that nobody's enforced my rights as a respondent. Yes. You have to serve notice on the respondent. You must provide the best available address. Oh, then it says the officer. Look at that little, this is such a nice brochure. Give these papers to the respondent personally at least 5 court days before the court hearing. As many times as I've said in the last 2 million emails, for some reason you didn't find it necessary to give me 5 court days. Oh, but the extreme protection order requires 5 court days. The officer must give these papers to the respondent. Yes, at least 5 court days before the full hearing. Oh, I didn't get that in 2011. I didn't get that in 2012. That's right. I didn't get that in 2013 when it was mail and personal service and publication. I didn't get that in 2015. For some reason, I never got notice of temporary orders. Now, appear for a full hearing. Okay, step number 5. After 2 weeks, you will come back to court. If possible, you can hire a lawyer to represent you at this hearing. Now, I didn't see a lawyer's signature on that protection order. Oh, the respondent will likely be at this hearing, and you may also bring a lawyer. Oh, you should come to this hearing whether the respondent has been served or not. Now, it says if you do not come, the court will dismiss the case and will not sign an order. It seems that if you don't acknowledge a court order, the extreme protection order would mean that the case would be dismissed. Now, I didn't see a signature of the petitioner on the protection order that was issued on July 31st of 2015. But it says here that if you don't go to the court hearing where you're issuing the extreme protection order,